Henry! Henry!
He's jumping. He said, watch this, I'm jumping. I think I'm jumping, not you.
Is Grandpa jumping?
More?
I think Grandpa's tired.
Puppy, it's
You're telling your puppy you're jumping?
Say cheese.
No, it's not that kind of camera, Mom. It's a camcorder.
You can still say cheese.
Say cheeseburgers. I think Grandpa's tired. Grandpa tired? Grandpa sleepy?
1, 2.
Say 3.
Close enough. Oh. Oh. Tell you what, let me get on you this time.
Oh, jeez. All right, jump now, Henry. Jump.
Yeah, wait a minute, here. Jump. I'm jumping, I'm jumping, I'm jumping.
Was that fun, Henry? See what you started, Grandpa.
You was crying a minute ago. Let me wash the floor. Let me put a little rag on the end of your foot.
Stop! Stop!
You said to do it. Oh, legs. Okay, we'll do the legs then. We'll do the legs then. Aww. What's the matter, little Jack? What's the matter, Jack? What's the matter? What's the matter, Jack? Hey, I'm gonna spank you back. I'm gonna spank you back. Look at those little baby teeth. Look at those little baby teeth. I gotta tickle you. Here come the tickle fingers. Woo. You come over and try it for a while. It's good therapy.
Henry, my turn.
Ugh. Yeah, when do I get a turn? When do I get a turn? Ugh. Well, I got my board. Now I need my room.
See the lizard? Say lizard.
I can't do it.
Well,
Hi, Zach.
get up here right now. Get out of that dresser.
Go, Zach. Go, Zach. Go, Zach. Boop. What happened?
Hey, come on. What are you doing?
What's wrong, Zach?